What's up guys, Keitora YYC back in the house, back with another video, back with another unboxing here, and what I have in front of me today is the brand new Dasai Futures Mochi, and I'm super excited to unbox this one. This is Dasai's latest and greatest limited edition mochi. And if you want all the details about this specific mochi, I have it in the video description below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this mochi and see what we got. Alright. So here we have it, Dasai Futures Mochi. Pretty slick, clear, transparent packaging. I like it. I like it. So just a little bit about Futures Mochi here. This mochi is inspired by the colorful and transparent tech trend that we had in the 2000s. So if you guys remember, in the 2000s, a lot of stuff was clear plastic, especially electronics, and different colors. I remember I had a purple clear power bar. You could get purple or colorful clear phones, and even Game Boy Colors, and it was super sick. And even if you remember all those colorful iMacs, and yeah, so that's what Futures Mochi is inspired by. So let's go ahead and open it up. And Futures Mochi comes in a variety of colors, and I picked purple, of course. Okay. And FYI, this is my 5th mochi that I have, so I think it's official. I have a bit of a mochi problem. But if you want to see my reviews of all my other limited edition mochis I have, I'll have that up in the description, or up in the video right up here. So let's take a look at what we've got. So we've got our standard USB-C cable for charging mochi. We have 2 double-sided Velcro pads for mounting mochi. And then we have the mochi startup manual. So just FYI, Futures Mochi is a Gen 3 mochi, so that means it has all of the Gen 3 mochi features. Primarily the main one being that it has a battery, so you can charge it up and use it without plugging it in. And then the second main Gen 3 feature is that it has a gyroscope, so it reacts to your movement and motion. So let's take a look. So yeah, basic mochi startup guide. Oh yeah, and Gen 3 mochi also has newer custom animations. So and then those are all the animations. There's way more here. And then there's some more details on the gyro. So yeah, this has like way more animations than previous ones, which is super awesome. Thank you, Dasai. So let's take a look at mochi itself. So once again, I got the purple one. Alright. Yeah, so this is like a super crystal clear helmet. And FYI, all your old or special mochi helmets will fit this mochi. But why would you want to do that? Because you'll see in a second, that this mochi also lights up. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There we go. Oh, this is interesting. So the entire mochi is purple, even the brains here. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I wonder if it'll turn on if you just shake it. Probably not. Oh, it's probably, we gotta turn it on for the first time. Okay, so it looks like this one shipped with a dead battery, so I have to charge it up. Let me charge it up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just had to give Mochi a little bit juice. Looks like the battery just went dead while it was in shipping or storage, so let's turn it on. There we have it. So it has these 3 white LEDs in the back, and then what you can do with these side buttons is turn them off if you want. Who would want that? Or set 5 different brightness levels. So that's the lowest. And then that's the highest. Let's see what it looks like with the helmet on. Oh yeah, that's super slick. So it definitely looks better in person than on the camera. Camera's having a bit of a hard time picking up the light effect. Let me make it a bit darker inside and see if that helps. So yeah, there's Futures Mochi in the dark. And once again, it looks a lot better in person than on camera, but hopefully you get the idea there. So there you have it, guys. That's an unboxing and first look at Dasai's new Futures Mochi. Really big fan of how it looks. I was a bit split on what color to get, but then I decided to get purple. So it matches my Bosozoku mochi. Super cool animations there. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really helps. Otherwise, thanks so much for tuning in. I know he's sad that we're leaving. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.